Miracosta School. Hot Excavator Anatomy Shirt. We attempt to be an affirming power for people of all identities, and a useful resource for data and assistance about gender and sexual orientation. Does my sexual orientation or gender matter to my well-being care? According to the college's psychological well-being plan and dedication to create supportive, respectful, and inclusive surroundings for all college students and workers, psychological well-being practitioner Shannon Thompson stated the college could be internet hosting a spread hot excavator anatomy shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt. A disclaimer earlier than diving hot excavator anatomy shirt in this record solely highlights sequence the place both the total forged or one of many most important protagonists is LGBT and Latinx. It might take as much as 12 months to reply and allow you to know whether or not we want to see the total piece or not. Fill out this brief type to offer nameless suggestions on our present packages and occasions. And in addition to telling us what you'd prefer to see on campus. Do you settle for brief performs? We don't at the moment settle for brief performs for consideration. Other products.